Classic Auto Air's original Air Group in Tampa, Florida, offers rebuilding and reconditioning services for many factory air conditioning components. We want you to have the proper understanding of how your parts are processed as they make their way through our facility. First, it's important that you speak with one of our sales representatives to determine if we can help with the parts you're looking to have serviced. From there, we'll need you to fill out our rebuild request form at www.originalair.com and include it with your shipment. This ensures we have everything we need to create as accurate as possible of an initial evaluation of your parts. Package your parts carefully and ensure, in the event of loss or shipping damage, make sure to seal all parts to keep oil and lubricants inside the parts, as these can weaken the package and carriers will not cover such claims. While most carriers share similar packaging guidelines, it's always helpful to check with whichever carrier you're using to ensure you're packaging your parts in a manner that will ensure safe delivery and insurance coverage if they are damaged. Upon delivery of your shipment to our Tampa, Florida facility, your parts will be organized, opened, and evaluated by the date they were received. Due to the seasonal nature of the air conditioning business, it may take 2 to 3 business days before packages will be opened for initial evaluation. Once your package is unpacked, all parts will be photographed and tagged. The parts are then evaluated for serviceability, and an initial estimate of costs and turnaround time will be determined. You will be contacted by our service writer via the method chosen on the rebuild request form to discuss the initial cost estimate and current turnaround times for your approval. Please note that a 50% deposit is required at the time of approval. Some things to keep in mind when it comes to initial estimate and turnaround times. Initial turnaround times can vary greatly, depending upon quantity and condition of the components sent in, and our current workload at the time your parts are received. April to September make up the busiest portion of our season. If you are doing a restoration, it's a good idea to send your parts in outside of our busy season to get a quicker turnaround. Not all parts take the same amount of time to service. For example, compressors, custom hose, and fabrication work tend to take the longest. As we start to proceed through disassembly and servicing of your parts, we may find problems we were unable to diagnose in our initial valuation. This can sometimes cause delays and changes to the original estimate due to the additional time it takes to communicate and get approval, complete additional or alternate work, sourcing for replacement components, etc. Once the service work is approved, your parts will be distributed to the appropriate departments where they will await servicing in the order that they received. Once all of the parts are completed, you will be contacted for final payment. Parts will then be professionally packaged and insured to your specifications. Your payment will be processed, and your parts will be shipped back to you. Larger orders may take 2 to 3 additional days, and exact price of shipping costs may need to be determined at that time.